Motorola unveiled its first book-style foldable phone, the Razr Fold, at CES 2026. The device will be available in two color options: Pantone Black and Blue and Pantone Lily White finishes. It features an 8.1-inch LTPO foldable inner display with 2K resolution. When closed, users can rely on a large 6.6-inch cover screen that functions much like a regular smartphone display. The Razr Fold comes with a triple rear camera setup, all rated at 50 megapixel. This includes a Sony LYTIA main sensor, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera with macro support, and a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto camera offering 3x optical zoom. A 32 megapixel selfies camera supports the Moto Pen Ultra Stylus. Motorola did not reveal any other specifications of the Razr Fold. The Razr Fold could be priced starting around $1,500. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.